Hi, good morning to everyone. To our subscribers and future subscribers of Health and General Information Channel. Gerald is here again for another piece of information regarding sunflower uses and health benefits that we will discuss and talk about. Before that, please finish to the end, and at the end I have a question. Comment your answer with your name so that you can participate in our annual raffle promo. Let's get started. Sunflowers are not only beautiful to look at, but they also have a wide range of uses and health benefits. Here are some of them. Oil production. Sunflowers are commonly grown for their seeds, which are used to make sunflower oil, a popular cooking oil. Food source. Sunflower seeds can also be eaten as a snack, added to salads, or used as an ingredient in baking. Animal feed. Sunflowers are used as a source of food for livestock and birds. Ornamental use. Sunflowers make beautiful cut flowers and can be used to decorate gardens and homes. Health benefits. Sunflowers are rich in nutrients like vitamin E, selenium, magnesium, and copper. They also contain antioxidants that may help protect against certain diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Additionally, sunflower oil has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help lower cholesterol levels. Skincare. Sunflower oil is a common ingredient in skincare products due to its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. It is often used to help soothe and protect dry, irritated skin. Hair care. Sunflower oil is also used in hair care products due to its ability to moisturize and nourish hair. Overall, sunflowers have a wide range of uses and health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet or beauty routine. If this video is helpful to everyone? If yes, can you share, consider subscribe and click the bell icon. Your simple viewing, sharing and subscribing is a big help for our small communities and the rural areas of the Philippines that we help. Thank you.